President Emmanuel Macron agikinya Kenya miaraho ya muthenya wa Kiumia okite kwandikithia rugano rwa mwanya rwa gucenjia mutugo wa makiria ma miaka 50 iria kigomano gia Faranja na Afrika gikoretwo kuo gukorwo gigitafanĩrio bururi utari rungu rwa wathani wa bururi uyu. President Macron amukiritwo thigiraini wa iregi-ini President Ruto kuria magite na giikaro na gwikiranira ngirimiti cia wiguano wa mabũrũri maya meri maundu-ini matiganite ta githomo, miako o hamwe na urimi.
France is one of Kenya's leading economic partners, with strong portfolio of investments supported through the French Development Agency, particularly in renewable energy, urban mobility, and climate-related projects. Our cooperation also extends to education, skills development, and innovation.
No mariririe mamwe ma maundu manene maria mekurongorerio kigomano-ini giki kia Africa Forward maria ni ta kururumura utonga wa Afrika na uigithia o hamwe na bata wa gucenjia mutaratara wa uheani wa ngombo cia mabũrũri.
And we always appreciated your commitment to African and global issues, and this is why we decided to have this African Forward Summit being organized here in Nairobi.
Agitetera ikinya ria guthagania kigomano giki bururi-ini wa Kenya, President Macron ni ateaneirie mihuhu ya kwirwo Faranja ni uranitwo na mabũrũri mamwe ma irathiro ya Afrika maria mategukorwo makinyita itemi kigomano-ini giki. Bururi wa Faranja urarira Kenya ta gitugo kieru gia kurutania wira nao nja ya mutugo wa gukorwo magikirira mabũrũri maria mari rungu rwa wathani wao.
Our two countries today signed right here 11 instruments aimed at deepening cooperation across strategic sectors of our economies. Among the key instruments signed today is the rehabilitation and modernization of the 83 million euro or 12.5 billion Kenya shillings Nairobi commuter rail, which will serve as a central pillar of our urban transport modernization program.
Hamwe na President Macron, mapresident angi atatu ni makinyite bururi-ini aria ni Joseph Boakai wa Liberia, Alassane Ouattara wa Cote d'Ivoire, Julius Maada wa Sierra Leone, marĩ gatagatĩ ka mapresident 30 a Afrika aria maratanywo gwikinyia kigomano-ini giki kia Africa Forward. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.